Today, we're talking about a topic many business owners have heard about but still find confusing, and that's bookkeeping. If you ever wondered what bookkeeping is, why it matters, and how it impacts your business, then stick around because this video is for you. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe, a licensed certified public accountant with over 15 years experience in corporate and public accounting. I have an extensive background in accounting, audit, and taxes, and I'm all about helping you take control of your money by living smarter. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. And check out our blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As a CPA, I work with many small business owners, and one of the biggest issues I see is disorganized financial records. The good news is bookkeeping does not have to be complicated. By the end of this video, you will understand what bookkeeping is in simple terms, why it matters, and how it can help your business grow. Let's start with the basics. So, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is a process of recording and organizing all the financial activities in your business. That includes money coming in, money going out, customer payments, bills, payroll, expenses, and bank transactions. Think of bookkeeping like scorekeeping of your business finances. Without bookkeeping, you really don't know how your business is performing financially. So, why does bookkeeping matter? Most business owners think bookkeeping only matters during tax season, but that is not true. Good bookkeeping helps you to track your profit, monitor expenses, manage cash flow, prepare taxes, apply for loans, and make smarter business decisions. Imagine driving a car without a dashboard. You wouldn't know your speed, fuel levels, or engine temperature. That is what running a business without bookkeeping feels like. So, what does a bookkeeper actually do? A bookkeeper helps to organize and maintain financial records. Some common tasks included are recording sales, tracking expenses, reconciling bank accounts, managing invoices, tracking bills, and preparing reports. Bookkeepers help to keep the financial side of the business organized and accurate. Now, let's talk about three major financial reports. First, let's talk about the balance sheet. This report shows what your business owes and owns. It includes cash positions, equipment, loans, and credit card balances. Now, let's talk about the profit and loss statement. This report shows your income and expenses. It tells whether your business made a profit or operated at a loss. And finally, our cash flow statement. Cash flows tracks how much money moves through your business. Even profitable business can struggle if cash flow is poor. People often confuse bookkeeping with accounting. Bookkeeping records the financial information, and accounting analyzes the information. A simple way of thinking about it is bookkeeping organizes the numbers, accounting explains the numbers. Now, what are some common bookkeeping mistakes? One of the biggest mistakes I often see with bookkeeping is a lot of times business owners will mix business and personal finances. These should always remain separate. You shouldn't have the same bank account. You shouldn't be spending money for personal from your business or spending personal for your business, and same with your income. They should never really mix. It makes it very confusing and makes it even more challenging come tax time, where you'll end up spending more money trying to figure out what was personal and what was business. Number two is falling behind on your keeping up with your books and records. Waiting months to update your records can create confusion and stress. It'll also make you spend more money with a bookkeeper or a CPA uh, to catch up your books. Number three is losing receipts. Save receipts digitally whenever possible. This can save you a long run when it comes to keeping your books up to date and also at tax time. And last but not least is ignoring reports. Financial reports help you to make better decisions within your business, whether that's to invest, whether to take out a loan, or whether you need to maybe even make that big purchase for equipment. So, when should you hire a bookkeeper? As your business grows, bookkeeping can become time consuming. Hiring a professional can help improve accuracy and reduce stress. Many business owners find outsourcing bookkeeping is worth the investment. So, what's the bottom line? Bookkeeping is one of the most important foundations of a successful business. It helps you to stay organized, understand your finances, and prepare for growth. The sooner you build a good bookkeeping habits, the easier managing your business finances become. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with another business owner who could benefit from learning about bookkeeping. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week to break down sales taxes, the basics for small business owners.